Hi everyone, it's Neil again, and this is the Qzyl LED strip light. Apparently they wanted to pick all the obscure letters and try to make it into a word that doesn't exist. So let's check out this and see how it works. So if we look at it in the box, it comes with three reels of lights. And then we've got the connector here, which has a Bluetooth module for the color changing stuff, which is nice because then you can change it with your telephone instead of having to use the remote, which it also does come with. Comes with some double-sided tape to connect it up and a bunch of little connectors and whatnot. So if you wanted to run them in series rather than parallel, if you know what that means. So you can just connect one to the next, up to the next to make a really long strip instead of 3 separate little strips that are all coming off at the same time. So, and if you look at these strips, they are made, they're all plugged in right now. But you can see they're the ones that are just the metal little strips. So they're not the waterproof kind that kind of have that rubber casing on it. So these are be nice and thin and easy for indoor cabinets or recessed lighting or under a bed. Indoor use, not outdoor use. So I'm gonna plug this in and see what goes. So there we go. We're already like lighting up. And let's see, where did they put the remote? Oh, so here's the ones here, and I can change the colors with the remote. So that works, and then let's see how about the app. Let me see. I think I had installed it, but let's see how it works here. So we have to scan it with here is the scanner. So I'm gonna use my camera. So you see if I scan it, scanning it should come up with the link to open it. But it's not. Am I not scanning the right thing? I might not be scanning the right thing. Oh, here's the scanning the app. The scanner's right there. So let's scan that. And then it says open up in Safari. And it's opening up. And there it is. It's the Duo Co strip. And it's got a lot of stuff written in Chinese on that app. You can see that. And then we'll open it up. And we'll see it here. And we are connected already. So you can see there's the thing. If I change it to whatever color this is, if this is yellow or red or blue, and I can change the colors and it works. So here we go. And we can change different style. We can use it static blue. We can make it work with music, I guess. So if I play the music, really it works with their music. The microphone, I guess if I'm talking, it changes. I don't know, weird. And then with the different scheduling, you can schedule it to go on and off at different times. So pretty cool. So pretty nice little setup here that you can use with this. And it seems to work, and it connected. I guess it just connects by Bluetooth, and it just did it real close because I'm close and it's working. So we're good. So this is the Qzyl strip light, and it seems to do everything it says it needs to do. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go wire these up somewhere and put them up and see how they go. And the brightness is definitely there. I mean, there's the brightness. I think I could probably lower the brightness if I point the yeah, so there's the brightness going down as I pointed to it, or flashing, or down, or whatever. So it's super dim, and everything seems to work good. It works with the remote or with the app. So I think the app even had pretty good ratings. Usually these things don't, because people are like, oh, but it does exactly what it says, and there's like no other options. Just you turn it on and it's working. So pretty sweet. So be sure and like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can keep doing more reviews like this. And give this one a thumbs up. I mean, it does exactly what it says it needs to do.